Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic land utilization under the chapter resources and development. As we all know, we can use the land for various purposes. So here I have prepared some of the slides. So let's go with these. So at first we have forest. As we all know, forests are the essential part of our life, even for everyone, either it is animals or we human beings. So according to law, minimum 33% land should be covered with forest. Now secondly, we have barren and wasteland. It means these are the land where agriculture is not possible. Might be that land is rocky or full of desert. So instead of agriculture, settlement is done there. It means people are living there, or it is used for making roads, or might be we have industries, etc. Okay, now thirdly we have pasture land. So in this category we can keep grazing land. It means the land which is kept for grazing the animals. And groves means like a group of where we have group of trees. And the cultivable land, it means these are the land where agriculture has not been performed for last 5 or more than 5 years. Fallow land means like it's a type of land. Initially this was made for doing agriculture only, but now because of different reasons, agriculture has not been performed in this area. There are two types of fallow land. Firstly, we have current fallow land. So this is the area where agriculture has not been done for last 1 or less than 1 year. And secondly, we have other than current fallow land, where cultivation is not done for the past 1 to 5 agricultural years. Okay, so like this we have got three types of land. First one is current fallow land. It means a land where agriculture has not been performed for less than 1 year. It might be 11 months also. Okay, so second type is other than current fallow land. So these are the land where agriculture has not been performed in between 1 to 5 years. And third one we have cultivable land. So these kind of lands are the land where agriculture is not going on, or has people have stopped doing agriculture in this kind of land for more than 5 years. Net sown area, it means this is the total area where crops are sown. Okay, here we have two pie charts which shows the comparison between land use in 1960 and 2008. So here we can see, like in 1960 total barren land was 12.01, and now in 2008 it is decreased by 8.61, so it's a good sign. Because of the population increment also, more land is changed into settlement area. Now let's move to the forest area. In 1960 we had 18.11% forest, which is increased to 22.78% in 2008. As we had discussed before also, according to law it should be 33%. Slowly we are moving towards our goal. Thank you for watching, guys. Please feel free to ask questions.